There's some tools that can really help you in this area. I just made this one last week. This is very simple. It is just a piece of aluminum rod that I have purchased at the hardware store. See, I've bent the end. If you want, you can take this end and put it on a grinder and sharpen it more so it catches better. But we use this for removing those boxes that are up higher so we don't have to climb ladders and things as much. And that's for ease, for speed, and for safety. Very easy tool to use. You reach up, you catch an edge of a box, you pull it towards the edge. You can bring it down safely. We have a number of these hanging throughout the warehouse. This one I just had made. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to take and put colored tape on it so it's easy to find. And I just want to make sure no one somehow gets caught on it. So I want to make it very visible. All right, an important tool for your warehouse is a rolling ladder. It's easy to move, simple to use. If you haven't used one, we're going to show you real quick. There's a lever down here you push with your foot, pops it up onto wheels. When you get to the location you want, you get it close to the rack, push down, you now have stable ladder to go up. Much safer than a standard ladder. It has sides on it. You can even put on a belt and clip yourself to it once you get up to the top. So when you go up the ladder, you're in a much better situation. You can easily put things up onto or take them down from higher shelves. If you really want to do this right, you have someone with you. You've had product come in, you're going to load. They hand the product up to you. You're clipped into the top of this ladder with a safety belt. You put the product right up here. Much better way to go than trying to do it on like a painter's ladder. This is definitely a tool worth investing in. This will save you time and effort, keep you from dropping product, hopefully. More importantly, it's going to save you possibly from a bad accident, a fall that would cause you to lose time and not be able to service your customers. Another thing that's important in your warehouse is lighting for safety and for efficiency in finding things. If you're in a situation where you can't put overhead lighting or you don't have the power available, there are rechargeable lights like this that you can bring with you, hang them on your racks, and be able to see your product and see safely in your warehouse. This is a useful tool. Some other tools you're going to want for your warehouse to make everything cleaner, easier, and safer. A garbage can inside the warehouse besides a dumpster outside, because you're going to be producing all kinds of plastic and things. Some tools for cleaning up. Push broom. I love these dustpans because I don't have to bend over. Very easy to use. An angle broom to get into the corners. Now, even though we all do our best not to have it happen, we hate it when it happens. Cans get dropped, they break, they make a mess. This is something you're going to need. A mop bucket and a mop makes the job so much easier. Good tool to have. Another good thing to have is recycling for your guys that are drinking beverages and things. You have someplace to put the containers rather than in the trash. It's also good to have someplace to put your cardboard. You're going to generate a lot of cardboard. The more your business grows, the more cardboard you're going to have. We have a large bin outside. People come by, they take it, they haul away. Some people want to recycle their own cardboard. Some places go so far as to put in the large baling machines that compress and bale the cardboard for recycling. Depends on the size of your business, but you are going to want some way of recycling that cardboard. Some more useful tools for your warehouse are pallet jacks. We keep 2 sizes at our warehouse because pallets come in 2 sizes from our suppliers. So you want to have the proper size pallet jack so it's easy to move the product. Another good tool to have for moving equipment or large things is a dolly. Dolly like this, you can do it with, not nearly as safe as a refrigerator dolly, which has the straps on it and can ratchet. This is much better for moving a piece of equipment if you need to in your warehouse. Make sure it has all the safety things so you can lean it back. These are all good investments for making sure your business is successful.